Welcome to this guide on how to install your punching bag step by step. In this video, we'll show you everything you need from tools to techniques to safely set up your punching bag for training. Let's get started. Here are the tools and parts required. The ceiling mount screws, anchors, a sturdy chain, carabiners, a wrench, and a drill. Having these ready will make the process smoother. Before hanging the punching bag, inspect it thoroughly. Ensure the straps and attachments are in good condition and securely fastened. Mark the location of a solid beam on the ceiling, drill pilot holes, and secure the ceiling mount with screws. Ensure it is firmly attached to support the weight of the punching bag. Measure the height from the floor to the ceiling mount. Typically, the bottom of the punching bag should be around waist height for optimal training. Attach the chains to the bag's loops using carabiners. Double-check each connection to ensure they are secure before hanging. Carefully lift the punching bag and attach the chain to the ceiling mount. Ensure the weight is evenly distributed and all connections are tight. The bag is now securely installed. Notice the tight connections on the mount and chains. Test the bag by giving it a few light punches. Ensure it swings smoothly and remains stable. Congratulations! Your punching bag is now ready for use. With proper installation, you can train safely and effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips.